Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a gourmet chicken pasta. For the ingredients, you're going to need about 12 ounces of your choice of pasta, 4 ounces of mushrooms, a ½ ounce of dried shiitake mushrooms, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot, a bunch of fresh sage, a 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese, a ½ cup of ricotta cheese, a tablespoon of mascarpone cheese, and a 1/4 cup of cream. You will also need a pound of ground chicken, some olive oil, salt, and pepper for seasoning. Place the dry shiitake mushrooms in a bowl with some water, set aside to rehydrate for at least 10 minutes. Make sure you wash the sage and then take the leaves off the stems. Wash and dry the mushrooms and then thinly slice them. Peel and thinly slice the shallot and then go ahead and set aside. Peel and roughly chop 2 cloves of garlic. In a bowl, go ahead and add the ricotta, the parmesan cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. In a large pan, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium-high until hot. Then go ahead and add the sage leaves. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until green and crispy. Transfer the leaves to a paper towel and then season with salt. In the same pan, add the garlic, the shallots, and cook for about 30 seconds, and then add in the ground chicken. Cook the chicken until it is no longer pink. Then add in the mushrooms. Season with some salt and pepper. Cook the pasta according to the box instructions and then go ahead and drain. Drain or transfer the rehydrated shiitake mushrooms to a cutting board. Roughly chop them. Then add it to the same pan and mix well. Next, add the cream, and if you would like it to be spicy, add some red chili flakes. Next, you're going to add the pasta and the mascarpone cheese. Season with salt and pepper to taste, and then go ahead and add in the bowl of cheese mixture. Now you are ready to plate. Go ahead and serve it onto a plate and top it with the fried sage leaves. And that's it. You have a gourmet chicken pasta. Enjoy!